An example of under promotion in chess. Let's look at this game right quick, and we are the black pieces. In this game, our opponent has a king on h3, they got their bishop on e3, their rook on b1, and their rook on d7 that can check our king. Now, you might have saw that we have this pawn on g2 that could promote to any piece that we want to, except for a king and a pawn. Now, if we promote to a queen, that would be the wrong move. That would be a wrong move because white doesn't have to capture the queen right off the bat. They could do an intermezzo move by going to rook h7, check, king g6, rook h6, check, king g7, and then they take the queen. But if we under promote to another piece, a knight, which is attacking the king, then they have to take the knight. And once they take the knight, we take the rook back, checking the king. The king cannot go to g2 because of the pawn. And once the king goes to g3, we have checkmate in 1, bishop h4, attacking the king. The king can't take the pawn on the f3 square because of the knight backwards L, and there you go. Checkmate with the knight and bishop by under promotion.